at this. It's cute. I booked my hair appointment today. Carry on. I just got a whole bunch of packages in, as you guys saw. I'm so excited to open them. But hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenshaw. I make videos about my life. So if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to a week in my life slash getting ready for my grad trip vlog. That's what we're gonna call this. I also lost my Ana Luisa earrings and I'm so sad about it. Y'all, it's been a week. As you guys saw, I got some stuff in the mail. And I'm so excited. I'm going on a grad trip and I bought some stuff to wear on the grad trip. And so I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I got. So of course we had to start with Shein. What is a trip without Shein? I don't know. Okay, I bought a purse. Oh, it looks so cute already. Y'all, look at this. Wait. This is gorgeous. I got some phone cases. I'll show that to you later. Okay. So I got this little necklace. It's like, I don't know if you can see that. It's a gold necklace with a cross on it. I got this like earring set, which I thought was so cool. Like, look at these tortoise ones. That's cool. These green ones, pearl ones. This is cute. And then I got these rings. Okay, you know how like clay rings have been in style? I got a bunch of them. I dropped one. Yeah. Oh! What is the matter with me? These are gonna be so fun to style for my trip. And then I got some regular gold rings. If you know me, you know I'm always wearing a gold ring. Okay. I told you I have chunky knuckles, bro. So I think I'm just gonna have to like stack them. And I bought a little swimsuit, which I'll try on later. But phone cases. So this is this first one. I thought it was so cute. It has like little hearts all over it. And a little pocket for like your cards and stuff, which is good because right now this is my phone case and I currently have my driver's license in the back. So this is good. I definitely am building up a phone case collection finally. I will do that video when I feel like I have enough. Okay. Then I have this one. This is just a white one, but it has like this textured pattern on it. What? This is cute with the little pattern on it. And this one, ah, that's so adorable. I'm a sucker for a clear case. Like, is this one. Now I had a phone case just like this but in black, and it was for my old phone. So when I saw this on Shein, I was like, immediately yes, immediately this. Like, look how sick that looks. Okay, I also got Pretty Little Thing stuff. Should I try some stuff on? I shouldn't I? Okay, this is the first thing. It is so cute. Okay, let me show you. Let's do this. Okay. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, so this is it. This is really cute, like slim body, what do you call this? I don't know what you call this. Bodycon dress and this like slinky material. So cute. This bag, okay, period. And then you add some of the rings that I was telling you about earlier. So cute. You know, I love a good pink piece. So, okay guys, look at this bodysuit. I think I might need to fix it a little bit. Y'all, it took me a little minute to figure out how to put it on. But isn't it gorgeous? Like, this neckline is so stunning. It's cute. And then I've styled it with these like big baggy jeans. And I think that's like so cute because like whenever you go like really tight and fitted on the top, you want to go loose on the bottom or vice versa. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's all I'm gonna show you guys because I don't want to show you guys too much. So if you want to see the rest of the fits, then you're just gonna have to follow me on Instagram first of all, and then second of all, watch the vlog when it comes out. Okay, well, I'm gonna try on the rest of the things that I got, and then I will get back to you guys. So on Monday, I did an Instagram story segment. Was it Monday or was it yesterday? No, it was yesterday, Tuesday. I did an Instagram story segment where I like critiqued all of the Met Gala outfits and dresses, so like all of the different celebrities. And it was so funny. I got such a good response from it. I don't know, it was fun to do. I love sharing my opinions on things that I probably should not be sharing my opinion on. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, especially like for my stories, because it's always a good time. Like, so I just made some late lunch. It's like 5:30. I made some late lunch, some pasta, which I'm very excited for. I'm gonna read this, I'm gonna eat. Yeah. Hello. I look very different. One, because I'm vlogging on my phone. And two, because I just got my hair done. I was not supposed to get my hair done today. Today is Thursday, by the way. But, of course, me, instead of booking it on Friday like I was supposed to, I booked my hair appointment today. And so my hair's done. I literally had to like, the AC is so loud, I literally had to like leave work early, rush home, wash my hair, and then come to the hairstylist's salon all in like an hour because I booked the appointment on the wrong day. And then not even that, like the trip is like next week, so I didn't even want to get my hair done so early. Either way, it looks beautiful though. It looks very pretty. Hopefully it still looks this pretty and this neat next week for the trip. And if not, that's okay. At least I'll look good for Mother's Day weekend. Okay. So as you can see, I'm leaving Target. I had a list of things that I need to buy, and I'll go over that when I get home, and I'll show you guys what I got. Just some stuff to put in my carry-on. So I look crazy. That angle was hilarious. This angle is hilarious because I don't have any earrings in. That's why. But anyway, okay, I'm gonna go home and check back in with you guys. You guys can't even see me. What is this? Okay, my forehead is going crazy. Y'all don't talk about me in the comments because wow. Anyway, hello. So it has been a minute. Last thing y'all saw, I think, is me getting my nails done. I think so. It's Monday. This past weekend was Mother's Day weekend, so I went home, drove all the way home for Mother's Day, which was fun, and then I drove all the way back today. I got back here at my apartment at like around 4:30, and I didn't even like stop. I didn't pass go. I just took my stuff out of my car, put it down, and then jumped right back in my car and went to go get my nails done. And so that's what you guys saw. I got my nails done and my toes done. My toes are pink as well. I like to get pink toes. So, and then these are my nails. They're just almond shaped and pink. They're really cute. I really like them. I wanted to go really simple on my nails just because I'm wearing a lot of color in my outfits. But the thing is, when I was getting my toes done, I saw this orange color, like, you know, in the little color thing that they give you. That was really cute. And the name of it was Orange Cove, California. And I was like, oh, that's where I'm going. I'm going to California. Okay, let me try this orange color. So she starts to put the orange color on, and I was like, no. It didn't look good. And I knew that, like, because the orange was so bright, it would have clashed with, like, my outfits. Or maybe it would have looked good. I don't know. She started putting the orange on my nails, and I just got scared. I was like, no. And then I just went with this pretty baby pink instead. And so yeah, so I bought some stuff from Target and Ross, as you can see, and I probably shouldn't have, but here we are. Preparing for a vacation is literally so expensive. So at Target, literally the only thing I got are these lashes, because I don't get lash extensions because I'm afraid it's gonna rip out my natural lashes, and I have really long, thick natural lashes, so I just do strip lashes. And then Ross got me, y'all. I got this LED light. We're gonna see if it works, because I realized that I don't have a mirror like that I can take with me to do my makeup on the trip, and we're not gonna have a lot of mirrors. We're not gonna have a lot of bathrooms available, so I bought this and we're gonna see how that works. Ross has some cute stuff. Don't ever sleep on Ross. Ross has some cute things. Don't ever sleep on it. I got this purse because I just needed a white purse to go with the outfit, so I just got that cheap one. And then I got this shirt because it was $5. It's really cute. It says happy mind, love yourself, whatever, but I thought it was really cute. Just buying stuff I don't need. And I bought this really pretty crochet green dress. Like, is this not so cute? And I think this might be like my beach cover up, but we're gonna see. I am now going to pack. I am going to run through everything, try everything on again, and then I'm just gonna pack for like the rest of the night. I don't have to leave out until the afternoon tomorrow, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I'm just going to make sure that I have all my outfits set, and then just put everything in my suitcase, pack my toiletries, all of that. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch some stuff I need to catch up on, and yeah. Okay, so I am getting ready to head out now. I did get my eyebrows done, and I did go clean my car, and I have everything packed here. Carry-on, checked bag, which I do not know how to pack light. It's not a thing for me. Okay, anyway, but yeah, I'm getting ready to head out now. So thank you guys for watching this video. It was probably so chaotic to watch, but either way, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned to my next video, which is going to be my LA vlog. I don't know if I ever said where I was going. I'm going to Los Angeles, so my next vlog will be the LA vlog, so make sure you watch that to see, you know, my fits and what we get up to and all that good stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.